Today's day 13 of 14 days of Valentine's Day. Today I'm making strawberry cream cheese Danishes. First you're going to need a can of crescent rounds, and you'll need some strawberry cream cheese. Then you'll take a crescent round and unroll it. Next I'm going to spread the strawberry cream cheese on the crescent round. Next I'm going to roll the crescent round back up. Then I'm just going to repeat the process with the rest of the crescent rounds. Next, I'm going to put the crescent rounds on a lined baking sheet and then bake this at 375 for 10 to 12 minutes. While the Danishes are baking, I'm going to make the glaze, so in my bowl I have 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of milk, then 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, then 2 drops of red food coloring. Then I'm just going to mix that up until everything is combined. Now that the Danishes are out of the oven, I'm going to drizzle the glaze. Here's an up-close look of the strawberry cream cheese Danish.